Boston Red Sox have a new venture, or a new owner. Venture capitalist Henry McCance bought a small stake in the club from the New York Times. Is it a good time to be buying baseball teams right now? Well, John Erlichman has that story, John.
Betty, in the world of venture capital, McCance is a pretty well-known guy, but outside of that world, he keeps a low profile. But for a chance to buy into the Sox, he was willing to have his name in the headlines. Now, the Times was part of a group that bought the Sox in 2002, and for its stake, the Times paid an estimated $75 million. It's been holding out for more because some suggested they might get $200 million, of course, before the markets collapsed. Meanwhile, this is going to bring another Wall Street name to the majors. Tom Ricketts, the son of Joe Ricketts, who founded Ameritrade, led the family's Cubs purchase last year. A couple years before that, John Malone's Liberty Media swapped its stake in Time Warner for the Braves. And then there's Stu Sternberg, the former Goldman Sachs partner who took over the Rays in 2004. And he's hoping to give those Rays a run in 2010 against the Yanks, Betty.
They look good in their new uniforms. Okay, but if any of these owners decide to sell, can they really expect big returns in this environment?
We spoke to a few people about that. There are actually fewer baseball teams for sale versus the NBA or NHL, not because the crowds are better, because most owners are stable and have been able to keep paying their bills during the downturn. Of course, every owner has his own issues. Take the divorce battle between Frank and Jamie McCourt, which is also a battle for control of the Dodgers, which are one of the most pricey teams in the league. Betty?
That's right. She's asking for $1 million a month
in
spousal support.